Okay, the recording is in progress now. Hello, Geeta. So today is the 15th December 2024, and we are at a Sunday Fun Aging call. How does it get any better than this, and what else is possible? All the DJCCs, you all get what DJCC is? All the decisions, judgments, conclusions, and computations. And all the PES juniors means projections, expectations, separations, judgments, and rejections that you are functioning from for this 1 hour, for this moment. Just ask it to go bye-bye. You can pick it up later, your choice. But in this moment, for this little time span, let's let them go. And everything that doesn't allow that, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, cock, pod, all 9 shots, all 100 shots, boys, babads, bases, and beyonds. So we are live on Insta and we are live on Facebook. How does it get any better than that? So today Sneh was saying, Sneh, you were saying something? Can we repeat that for everybody else? Hi, Sandy Pan. Hi, Geeta.
Hi, good morning.
Can I have a look at your face, beautiful faces, please?
Yeah, they are beautiful, but they are not presentable.
ए क्या हुआ ब्यूटीफुल है तो प्रेजेंटेबल नहीं है ऐसे तो नहीं हो
वो
सकता ना
अभी आप तो जैसे वो नीट
मैं तो
एंड क्लीन
क्या
होके बैठे हो ना, नीट एंड क्लीन होके बैठे हो.
so what you I can't smell you so it's okay
The hair are haywire, kind of. बुरे
that's
हाल है.
okay just do this and it'll be okay I know you will not judge you this is the place nobody will judge you
Yeah.
hi good morning so Sneh was saying something. What were you saying, Sneh? Let's say it again.
I was saying about the overthinking loop.
Overthinking. So, we all do it, or we don't.
And I guess overthinking is a part of our night ritual. रात में जब सोने से पहले, that is the time it starts. It seems.
And then what do you do?
The beam doesn't comes on time. Takes 2 o'clock.
Oh my God! You allow it to torture you for that long? You are the boss. Who is the boss? Hi, Neera. Hi, Shweta. Lovely to have you guys here. So the topic today is time. Thanks to, I don't know, somebody wrote time. Thanks to, I think, whoever, never mind. Thank you so much for suggesting. And so what is time? Is time real? Is time real, guys? How relevant it is in your life? Do you, is it there? Can you see it, or is it a creation? So none of you have voices, right?
कमल, मैंने एक बार कहीं ना एक लाइन पढ़ी थी. अब I don't know how relevant. Now you will again ask me one question. It was like time management is the essence of life management. Life, if I understand, as on today, is life is means whatever is going on presently in my life in front of me, either thoughts or in some action. So the timings, how far I delay that action, how hastily or fast I take that action, it makes more sense today when you say time.
Awesome. Thank you for that. So anybody else has anything to say about time? Nobody. So I have a question for you. Whenever you are thinking of the past, what do you do to time? According to me, you freeze it. You freeze your life living reality at that moment and make only that memory, that past, that experience more vital and valuable. You have frozen in time that keeps you dedicated to the wrongness or the rightness of you. Am I making any sense?
Beautiful. Yeah.
Thank you. Everything that is times a godzillion. Will you please destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shorts, boys, pervads, bases, creations, and beyonds. And how much of our lives, your lives, have you made yourself subject to time? What if you are a source and you are all-knowing being, and everything that comes to you is a gift, you receive it and do whatever you require to do with it. And that is the correct time. Don't people say that whenever you choose whatever is the correct time? Whose reality are you living when you say, I have to do everything on time? Mamta ji, can you make yourself mute? Thank you. So when you're not subject to time, let's go beyond this reality. So when you're not subject to time, what do you have? When you don't have time, what do you have? You have energy, you have space, you have you. You are energy, your space, your consciousness. You are all aware and all knowing. Time becomes your slave. That is when magic happens. When you become the energy and space. How many of you refuse to function at the speed of space? Which would increase the time in your life by about, say, 60, 80? How many percentage do you want? How many times when you don't have any, your mind going to, oh, I don't have time. How many times, how many things do you get done in a day when you're not running after time? And how much do you constrict yourself to doing a few things because you're valuing time? What have you made so vital, valuable, and real about the order of shortening your perception of time that keeps you from creating what is time? Everything that is times a godzillion, will you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad. Pop, pop, pod, all 100 shorts, boys, provides, bases, creations, and beyonds. If you didn't make my time valuable and significant, how much can you pack up? How much can you create in a day? What energy, space, consciousness can you be to go beyond being subject to time for all eternity? And everything that doesn't allow that, destroy and uncreate it. All right, wrong, good, bad. Pop, pod, all 100 shorts, boys, pervads, spices, creations, and beyond. And you always know. You always know the right time. You always know the right time to change. You always know how much are you honoring yourself and trusting yourself. None. How relevant are you making time? Time nikal gaya, gaadi nikal gayi. We were talking about, one person was talking about here, about her daughters saying that मेरे उम्र हो रही है, मेरी शादी नहीं करा रहे आप. Neera is saying, could you hold time in your hand? Can you hold time in your hand? Do you joyfully jump into what's in front of you, or you will wait for the time? Do you jump into the instant that you become aware of a different possibility, or you will go into your head to sort out the time for it? You will wait for the right time. Who knows when is the right time? You know. You are the source. You know when the time is right to change it. If you did not go into your head, you would always know it. Now is the time. When that thought comes, it is come because you asked it to come. It is there to gift you something. Dr. Dane keeps going in every call saying, now is the time, now is the time, now is the time. What does that mean? What does that even mean? Anybody here? What you are today, what you are this moment, has never been before. What is now that has never been before? You are the one who's been choosing different to create this different reality as it is now. Look at you. What are you experiencing at this moment that is different? If you were present to it. Somebody here was talking before we started the recording, was talking about I have got a lot of change, but I still go back. Can you acknowledge when you've been choosing different, behaving different, creating different? What is it that is different today that wasn't there before. Are you becoming more present, more aware, more conscious? Were you living your life from consciousness, from awareness before? You cannot put this energy into words, this awareness, this presence into word, but you know it. Are your choices the same that were a few years back? A year back before Sneh? No. Would you please acknowledge that? We give so much of significance to time and space. We link them together. Are they both equal, valid, and real? No. Time is an invention, guys. Gary has many times said time is an invention.
Girl, how invention? Can you talk about it more?
Don't you invent it? Now is the time. Now is that energy. Whenever you're saying, yeah, time up, जैसे she was saying that my daughter says that मेरा time हो रहा है शादी. ये who has decided that time? How is that relevant to you? Or do you just follow this reality just because they said so?
Mind?
Who's created that mind? Your mind is different than my mind. How come? You have created the mind by listening to, by hearing, by reading, by buying into whatever everybody said. You locked it into your subconscious mind. That's where we run the bars and delete all those files. Your mind, your software starts to control you. And you think it is Bhagwan, Allah, Ram, no, it's yours. That's why you keep living in the same loop again and again, because your mind won't let you choose something different. When you make your mind so relevant, the space of you becomes small. Your area, your zone becomes so small and limited. And you, the infinite being, gets diminished. You are not subject to the sequence of time as it exists here in this reality. You are not the slave of time. As you eliminate the importance, the significance that you give to time, your space, your creation, your zone, your freedom becomes greater. You have a choice. Choices, I should say, from to choose from. I'm slurring today. What happened? If there was no time, judgment couldn't exist. Could it?
So all our judgments are there because we believe that time exists.
Exactly. That's what I think. What do you know? You have to have time in order to judge. If your space if you're like, everything is an interesting point of view. If you're like aware and conscious, then would you blame somebody who came late? When you got late? Have you noticed when you have no problem, आप जहां पे जाना होता है, आप बेशक आधा घंटा घंटा लेट पहुंचते हो, वो आदमी आगे पहुंचा ही नहीं होता. And then what do we say in Access? Hey, you were so aware. We don't make ourselves wrong for reaching there late. We were so aware that the man was going to come or the woman was going to come or the job was going to be done half an hour late, and you reached there half an hour late. But we make ourselves so wrong for people not being punctual, you not being punctual. Can you be space all the time with no thoughts, with no planning? Of course, there's a B plan there, yes. But in Access, we also say, don't open your door, don't have a back door, don't have a B plan. You are so aware that you will choose what will work. If you asked a question, what is the point of having a B plan? When you have a B plan, you're sure your point of view creates your reality. You're sure the A will not work. You can be space, you can't be time. Time is the elimination of being. Dane said once, I remember.
Okay, so how come with time now our body changes and then it is now I really feel I am aging up.
It just changes, it's not time. Body just changes, you're growing. You are changing, you're growing, you're being space. But if you put time to it, then you tell the child, oh, 4 साल के बच्चे कितने बड़े हो जाते हैं, तुम इतने ही हो. Your point of view creates your reality, और वो बच्चा बढ़ना बंद हो जाता है. People grow according to what they choose to grow, what they are choosing. We've chosen, they are not small babies, they are big souls in small bodies. So let's take, for example, we separate time from past, present, and future, like, right? So here you are. I hope you are present. Are you? You separate yourself from the past and separate yourself from the future. Are you all here, present? Yes, as infinite being, you can have the awareness of the past. And in Access, we say we change it by pocking and podding. We are changing the entire past by pocking and podding from the moment we choose it. Time creates the fundamental proof of limited reality, running out of time. What is that? Running out of time is the basis of scarcity. You're an infinite being. You know when would be the right time. Do you ever run out of time? Your point of view creates your reality. You run out of time. Do you have only that much time? Little box time? Am I making any sense?
Yes, Kamal.
Yes, you are.
Thank you.
तो जैसे कि आप 8:30 आ जाते हो तो मुझे पता है मैं 8 बजे आ ही जाती हूँ, लेकिन किसी किसी कॉल में नहीं आते, 10 मिनट बाद आते, 15. तो मैं उसके कॉल में उसके अकॉर्डिंग जाती हूँ, तो इट्स योर रियलिटी.
Exactly. Exactly. And if you have a choice that you want to go for Kamal's call or for somebody else's call, you will wake up at that time even without an alarm.
Actually, I did it today only. Yesterday I slept at 2 and I was like, मुझे ये class आज join करना है. Let me be on time. I was there. वो भी
Your,
सच दर्द के देखिए.
yeah, bilkul. Your choice. You choose. And the universe conspires to gift you what you're choosing, rearranging the universe for you. You are that crucial, you are that important.
So when we are saying we are running out of time, are we trying to say to ourselves that we are not willing to choose this?
Could be. What do you know? I don't know. You know. We have made time a relevant element of our universe. Then we become slave to it. But when you are the source, you can bend space, time, change anything that you require to do and get it done like magic. Your space is of possibilities based on your choice, based on who you are. You are the one who can step up beyond this reality, beyond the limitations, and create whatever you require by just asking a question and being in sync with the universe and dance in rhythm. Everything is the opposite to what appears to be, and nothing is the opposite to what appears to be. You are totally unpredictable. What you will choose at what time, nobody knows. You also sometimes don't know cognitively. No questions? We are only halfway through, guys. What can you be and do today that is different to make time work for you in ways that you never thought or heard or imagined or fathomed before? Everything that doesn't allow that, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shorts, boys, provads, bases, creations, and beyond. Every way you've been waiting for right day, right time.
कवल याद होगा, repeat करोगे? If you remember, what can you be and do today?
Just ये है कि can you ask the time to work for you? Can you ask the universe to work for you? Rather than you working for everybody else, for everything else. Money to work for you. Time to work for you. What can you do and be different today? Now, starting now, to make time work for you. In ways हमें पहले पता ही नहीं था, कभी किसी ने बताया ही नहीं था, अभी भी नहीं पता है. अगर दिमाग से नहीं करना तो यूनिवर्स से पूछना है, अगर क्वेश्चन ही पूछना है तो दिखा. and be willing to receive it the way it shows, because it never shows the way you think it's going to. हम लोग अपनी सारी जिंदगी राइट टाइम राइट डे शुरू कर देते हैं, वेस्ट कर देते हैं. Just asking this question, is the right time now? Is now the right time? You feel like go for it, not then ask, hey, when? Can you tell me? And then you will be nudged. There'll be a whisper. Listen to it. That is the time then. So who decides the time? You and the universe in sync with. Now is the time. It has come to you. If a thought comes to you, it has come to you to birth through you. Now is the time. So everything that does not allow you to be present, to be in the now, in every now moment, to choose now, to ask a question now, to be present now, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD. All 100 shots, boys, poads, bases, creations, and beyond. When you are in sync with the universe, when you are always in question, wouldn't you know exactly when to do what? Follow your awareness. Maybe now is not the time. The awareness will tell you when is the time, when you ask a question. It has to be awareness, not judgment according to right and wrong, good and bad, kab, kya, kahan, kaise. You are the one who decides, nobody else. What adventure can you be on by asking a question? We try to control it according to go into our head, like Mamta said, right, wrong, good, bad. We try to control everything according to what we have learned and bought. You are the source. What can you be and do different to realize? For the universe to gift you more awareness, for you to choose more awareness, so that you know now is the time. Now is the time. So everywhere you are still waiting for the right time to show up. And if you have a point of view that you're going to wait, how long? Because then you have to wait. Then things don't come easily to you. You have not asked the right question. You just told, I have to wait. Go on waiting for how long? Everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, online, short, boys, poet, basis, creations, and beyond. And waiting should be an awareness. I'm not making waiting wrong. But if it is an awareness, yes. But if you made up your mind that now is not the right time and now I have to wait, I can't get married at 25 because that's too early, and I have to get married at 35. or whatever this reality tells you, are you living your life according to what you want to live, or are you living your life according to what people want you to live?
Kaval, sometimes we do not know कि ये awareness है या
Ask, very simple. Is it an awareness or a judgment? Light or heavy? Go for it. And awareness will always feel light and aha. And judgment will always contract you. You will go into your head to sort out and figure out. It is like building a muscle. जितना क्वेश्चन पूछते जाओगे उतनी क्लैरिटी आती जाएगी, उतना है जल्दी पता लगने शुरू हो जाएगा कि ये अवेयरनेस है. बट इफ यू से पता नहीं लगता अवेयरनेस है कि क्या है, then you have told the universe कि मुझे नहीं चाहिए, मुझे नहीं पता करना. Your point of view creates your reality. So ask, hey, what is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it? Is this awareness? What's the gift in this? Use time for what it truly is and allow the time to work for you. Whose lies and what lies about time have we bought from this reality? That is now the time to let them go. Bye-bye. Revoke, recant, resent, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate it all. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, poets, bases, creations, and beyonds. This time is better than that time. That time wasn't bad, wasn't good. This time is good. What are we doing? All the definitions of what is good time and bad time. Is now the time to give them up? Everything that doesn't allow you to be present in every now moment, to be aware of what you require to choose. Would you need time if you were in that creation and space? All the definitions that you have bought about time, that you have given about time, I will do this and then I will have a great time. I will that, and this is not a great time. What if you were the creator of the great or the bad or the good or the right time and you chose to create it just because you could? Just because it was fun and just because it was adventure. Would you be willing to be that powerful? No, I'm not that powerful. I'm a measly little human being. All those lies, will you please return them to center with consciousness attached? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all 100 shots, boys, provads, bases, creations, and beyonds. We can't, I know, I can't put it in words, but I know that I have changed. That I have not one or two choice, but I have choices I can choose from. I have a menu to play with. That was never there in my life ever before. Much more is available for me to play with, to choose, to create. Way beyond I can imagine. I learned to drive at age 13, but I think I am seated on it fully, completely now, on the driving seat. Have the steering in my hand in the real sense now. where my life and living is and would like to go. Where would I like to go now? To choose for me, now is the time. To choose for you, now is the time. Don't wait for the right moment or the time or the auspicious time or the Pandit will tell you when. You are the one who can choose to whatever you desire. What is available today has never been before. For me, at least, access consciousness tools have played such a crucial role in expanding my life, in gifting me my life, opening doors that I never fathomed at age 60 that I would have them. It's my choice to choose, to be willing to choose it. Availability is there. Possibility is there. I don't have to struggle anymore. I can choose not to struggle. Earlier, it was like my life was a struggle. No, that was a lie I was telling myself. And now is the time to recognize and choose and create whatever you desire. Go on asking questions. Guys, universe has your back. It's your friend. It's going to be with you always. Acknowledge you are the one who's choosing it. World is not playing with you. There is no past. There is no future. There's no... Now is everything happening. You have to choose the tools to create the life that you desire. There is abundance of everything around, possibilities also. Now is the time to create your life. When you get up in the morning, and you love to get up in the morning, and you look forward to the day, everything becomes an adventure.
कवल कभी कभी मन में आता है अभी तो इतना एज हो गया है टाइम निकल गया ना
I've been lucky, ममता. मेरे को ये कभी नहीं हुआ.
हाँ.
ये क्यों हुआ आपको? रिग्रेट किस बात का हुआ?
रिग्रेट भी नहीं है बट आई डोंट नो समटाइम्स कुछ करना चाहते हैं अरे नहीं यार somebody स्टार्ट ना हो ऐसे नहीं यार अब क्या स्टार्ट करना है ना
तो सोच लिया करो कि कमल 62 में एक्सेस में आई थी.
यस यस यू आर अ बिग इंस्पायर फॉर मी 100%. मुझे मैं खुद को ही नहीं औरों को भी एग्जांपल देती हूँ दोज हु नो जिन्होंने कभी भी आपका कोई क्लास अटेंड किया है तो उनको भी मैं ये एग्जांपल देती हूँ कि नहीं यार.
Thank you so much. For me, it's just the beginning. I am just starting. Every moment is for you to give yourself the wings to step up. Just get the sense of what else is possible. That is a process that you tell yourself lies because you don't want to choose it, because you are comfortable where you are sitting. You will have to do something if you choose it. Maybe get up early. And that you don't want to do. It's not right or wrong. It's a choice you make. So don't blame the choice. If you really want to do something, you would do it. Mamta, I know you would do it. So yes. You don't want what? You don't want to do what you refuse to do. Yes, Nippy?
Thank you, Kamal. Thank you so much.
I thought if it helps Mamta, I can share slightly.
Yeah, please go for it.
So Mamta, I learned swimming at the age of, say, after 50. And now I've turned 60 and I'm learning shooting pistol and I'm learning
Wow.
table tennis. Yesterday, हफ्ता 10 दिन नहीं हुआ और yesterday I played a match and reached semi-final in table tennis.
Oh,
So,
wow, Nikki.
yeah.
After retirement, Mamta,
Yes, so nice. Yes. ऐसा
head in
सुन
the
के बहुत
direction of
inspiration मिलती है.
what is true for you. Head in the direction of what is true for you. Like to achieve. That's beyond this reality. I get it. Nobody ever chooses. That's what everybody. Whose reality are you living? 60 साल के बाद थोड़ी कुछ कर सकते हैं. 60 साल के बाद तो वो नी का ऑपरेशन चाहिए होता है. 40 के बाद तो स्पेक्स लग जाती है. अभी कॉग्निटिवली शायद आपको पता ही ना हो कि आप क्या चाहते हो, लेकिन आस्क अ क्वेश्चन. Neera is saying congrats, Nippy.
Thank you.
And Angela is saying gorgeous.
Love you guys.
Just ask whatever that thought, that spark, that thing comes to you saying, ये करते हैं यार. Ask a question. Is now the time to explore that? Is now the time to create my reality? Is now the time for choosing me? Is now the time to have me at the top of the list? Is now the time to actualize all that I've all ever wanted to do, all the conversation that I had with myself in my head? What choice could I choose that would change my reality? Are you willing to have what nobody has ever asked for, is willing to in this universe? Even if you're the only one there, choosing it. Even if it doesn't match anybody else's choice in your family or in the universe. What would I like? Get up in the morning and ask, hey, what would I like to do today? And go for it, even if it is 1% of it. Go for it. When you make a different choice, you stand in a different space. You have different point of view. You create different. हम लोग को चेंज बड़ा डॉन्टिंग लगता है. भाई चेंज होगा तो क्या, कैसे करेंगे, क्या करेंगे, लोग क्या कहेंगे. चेंज नेसेसरी नहीं है. जरूरी नहीं है कि चेंज करना ही करना है. डोंट मेक योरसेल्फ रॉन्ग फॉर मैंने नहीं चेंज किया अपने आप को. But if you really desire something, then go for it, guys. किसी ने कहा चेंज करना चाहिए तो कर रहे वो. That's not a choice. That's not fun. You could ask, hey, would buddy, hey, life, hey, living, would we like to change this? Get a yes, go for it and ask, hey, how do I change? What do I do? What choices do I have? What can I choose that will create this? Most of us have been taught to choose the least worst of the choices or the best choice. And all of that is based on judgment. None from the joy of it. Hey, I like that. And choose, guys. Sometimes you want to choose, then some drastic thing happens, some disaster happens, and then you choose. When you get the awareness, the whisper of the choice, go for it. Don't wait until you're pushed. How many of you resist changing? और फिर वेट करते हैं जब कोई और पुश करेगा तब चेंज होते हैं. And then you crib and cry and make others wrong and make yourself wrong for somebody pushing you. Then we get to the point, we like hit bottom. We get to the point when you can't stand something and then you change in panic or in necessity. Make it a necessity there. Somebody pushes you or you push yourself. So everywhere you're waiting till the last moment, waiting till you are completely uncomfortable and you have to force yourself to change. What if you could change by asking a question? What if you recognize the time to change and become aware of it? Ask a question, now or future. You are aware of everything, guys. It's a lie you've been telling yourself, I'm not aware, I'm not good enough. You are aware of everything. You are aware and you know change is possible. Deep down, you know that is achievable. But you will leave it for some future time, then you'll be pushed into it rather than making a choice. You can ask a question, hey, does this change require now? What will this change create? What are the possibilities of changing this now? And how do I change it? What is required? Hey, can you hold my hand? Can you take me through? Universe, guide me. Can you make it clear? What energy, space, consciousness can I be to have total clarity and ease in this? You have all the tools, guys. By using these simple tools, you will develop a sense of knowing when you need to change and when you don't. There will be that nudge, the whisper. There is this voice. Have you been? Sorry. Have you listened to the calls of Access Consciousness on Voice America, guys? There are million calls
Yes.
on Voice. There are million calls on Voice America. There are million calls on YouTube. There are million things available on net, free of cost. Use them. Like you said, I can't sleep, and I keep thinking, and that is the greatest time to listen to 1 or 2 calls. Listen to calls on sleep. Listen to calls on resting. Listen to calls on ease, joy, glory at that time. And see how good you get asleep. And listen to one call and note, or you keep the phone on recording. Every time they speak, they give a clearing on the recording, on the call, you record it and run those on mute. You have no luxury to complain. There's so much of material on net that you have you have to have acknowledge that and listen to that. You're fraud patrolling yourself if you're sitting and making yourself wrong and not listening to all the magic that is available to you free of cost.
Time, please.
Hey, it's 9:01. My watch is ticked. Mamta is my watch. Mamta is my watch on watch.
Thank you.
Time. So guys, time is not your master. You are the master, and time is irrelevant. How much are you making time relevant? That is the question. And whoever gave this topic, I am grateful.
Yes, even I am. It is amazing. Thank you. And
Thank
what
you.
you spoke on that was also amazing. बहुत मेरा तो clarity मतलब खुल गया है.
Thank
So
you.
nice, Kamal. I
So
am
the
so
next
grateful to
week's
you.
topic, अभी बता दो.
पहले मैम आप अपना मंगलवार वाला क्लास का बता दो.
Oh yes, thank you so much. मंगलवार को थोड़ी 16th को ही है. 16th
नहीं,
tomorrow we are starting two things. Tomorrow we are starting how to become money workbook. 10 days. We take one book to read. You can join for full year. You can join for one class. One class is 3,500. One full year is 35,000. It comes to 1,000 only. A class comes to just 1,000 or less than 1,000 if you join 1 year. But if you join one call, it's for 35. And 10 days you get. And then there is another one that we just started 2 days back, which was projections, expectations, separations, judgments, rejections. That's the book that we started 2 days. You will get the recording if you want to start. And that's for 15 days. We read one book, which is by Gary Douglas. And we're having a lot of fun. And you can join us if you want. That's for 4,000 rupees for 15 days. And there's a third thing that we are starting. That is a WhatsApp group. And that's about intimacy. Let's explore intimacy. And that is for 10 days. We have 5 elements of intimacy. So we'll have 5 calls. And I'll give 2 clearings, audio clearings for you on intimacy and 2 energy pulls. And you have whole 10 days to ask questions, which will be addressed. And that's for 5,000. So you're all welcome to join in. Thank you for reminding me, Sandy Pan. And tell me now about the Sunday topic, which is free. What would you like me to talk about? Addressing.
ममता मैम बताएंगी आज.
चलो ममता मैम बताओ.
मुझे तो लग रहा है ये टाइम के ऊपर ही चले, थोड़ा और ब्रेन को
वो आप ग्रुप में क्वेश्चन पूछ लो. I will address.
Joy of living.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Joy of living. Thank you. Bye,
Thank you.
guys.